In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view the employees you have in your schedule. You'll be able to see all of your scheduled employees at one time in a chart instead of in a list view, daily view, or weekly view. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have a location selected, then go to Schedules. Once you arrive at your schedules, go to your new top menu bar and click on Views. Then select Employees/Days. Your view will automatically open to the current schedule, and you'll be able to see which employees are scheduled to work which days and at what times for this schedule. Allison Apple is scheduled to work 3 days the first week of this schedule and 2 days the second week. Barbara is scheduled to work 3 days, then 4 days, and accidentally twice on 1 day, and so on. If I scroll down, you'll see the empty shifts are listed at the bottom of the chart. There is a second chart beneath the first one that is basically a headcount chart. It's giving you the capacity, how many employees you could have on each day, the number of employees you have scheduled, and the number of employees you still have available to schedule. If I scroll back up to the top, I can also adjust the way this chart is viewed by clicking on Options. Under Options, I am given a way to sort these shifts. I can click on number 1 and sort it by name, or by crew or rotation. I'm going to go ahead and click on crew. And maybe I do want to use shift names, so I can click that box. Then I'll choose Apply. Now the schedule will rearrange itself according to those parameters. As you can see, Allison is no longer at the top, instead it's Kira. I can also make any adjustments to the schedule if I need to. So let me go back to Options and clear this. Now I'm going to go back to that double shift here. I can click on this shift, then choose Assign, and clear this assignment. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure I do want to do that. I'm going to go ahead and choose OK. And now Barbara has been taken off of this second shift, so she's not attempting to work 2 shifts at the same time. I can make any other adjustments here that I want to. I can edit this shift, I can reassign it, split it, or view the history. For now, I'm going to go ahead and choose Close. I can also use the menu bar above this chart to make any adjustments like in the previous videos. I can add shifts and schedules, I can add breaks, I can clear shifts, I can delete them, do all of that. I can also print this page. To do that, go to Employee/Day at the top of your chart and choose Printable from the drop-down menu. TeamWork 5 will open a new tab in your internet browser with a printable version of this chart. To go back to TeamWork 5, click on your other tab, and now you're back to your working TeamWork 5 account. And that's how you can view a whole schedule by employee. To learn how to view your whole organization's upcoming daily or weekly schedule, instead of just one location at a time, check out the next video.